up? So I'm here with Beauty Forever here again. Yes, I know you just saw. So we have another wig from them again today. It's the same packaging. So let's see what we got. Okay, first thing, the wig. I got a wig cap, and I got this goodie bag again with some clips. I got a pair of lashes, and I got a scarf in it, and that's everything that came in the box. All right, so for the wig, today's wig, we got this beautiful curly, this is like number 27. Yeah, so it's consistent right throughout the wig. It's not like a highlighted wig today, but it's really pretty. It's really pretty. I love this. Always, whenever I see these colors, always remind me of Beyonce, especially when it's curly. So this is how it looks. It's a 13x4 lace front wig. It has 3 combs. It has 3 combs in the cap, adjustable straps in the back, and it looks really good. You know, it is lightly pre-plucked, so that looks good. And they did put a center part in there, but you can really part it anywhere. It's free part, so feel free to go ahead and do that. It does feel good. I am getting minimal shedding, just so you know. Got like 3-4 strands there. Yeah, so I am getting shedding from it. Okay, just so you know, this is processed human hair, but it is really full. It's not shedding excessive, but I do get a strand or 2 every time I run my hand through it, just so you know. So yeah, that's how it looks. I'm going to go ahead and just proceed to install this. So let's go ahead and do that, guys. Once I slip this on, I don't know, it's so beautiful. These curls, the color, everything, it's like Goldilocks. It's really pretty. So I'm doing the usual. I'm gonna get my got2b to, you know, install this today. First cut away the excess portion on the ear portion there, the excess lace on the ear portion, and then I go over that with my got2b. If you're wearing this for a long time, always I recommend glue over got2b spray. I don't know, since recently I feel like the formula, I don't know, it's just my personal experience, or maybe I'm sweating harder these days, I don't know, but I just feel like it doesn't give that much of a durable install as it used to. So if I'm going to go for a couple days or even longer with an install, I just use glue just to be safe. But if you're looking for just a quick install, got2b is your adhesive for sure. I really just felt the vibe of not doing any baby hairs, and that's exactly what I did, because the hairline on this is so beautiful. Even though it's minimally pre-plucked, I feel like it looks so good. Like, and this color, it's just gorgeous, you know. So I didn't do too much with it. So once I was done with my install, I basically got my wax stick and I got my hot comb, and that's what I used to further just melt everything and be like, you know, what would you say, lay the hair out of my face and just make it nice and flat. You know, it looks so good. Alright guys, so I'm all done with installing this wig. I think I didn't do any like baby hairs, any edges, because you know, a couple times when I've installed similar wigs to this, and just for some reason the lace is always giving what it's supposed to give, and I just love the blend of everything. So you know, I'm just, you know what, not doing no edges today. That's just how I felt. And the next thing is, I find that I love to wear these just as is. Like, I don't usually like to wet up the hair or whatever. So yeah, I don't know, I love the volume. I love the volume, and it's so pretty. You see those curls or waves rather? It's really, really nice. It's really, really soft, but it does, you can feel that it is processed. Yes. Tangling, it doesn't, it's minimal tangle because it is of a curly texture, so it's expected. So with this kind of texture, you find that you have to pay attention to it at least daily, because you don't want it to get too matted on you. Yes. So as I said before, yes, there is shedding. I am getting shedding, see, so just be mindful of that. This is my honest opinion. It's decent. The quality is decent. Yes, so it looks really pretty. As you can obviously see, it looks really, really nice. So that's really good. I'm going to be sure to put all the specifications of this wig in my description box, so you guys can feel free to go ahead and check that out. Yeah, and the direct link as well. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today's wig look. Thank you guys so much for sticking around. Thank you, but that's pretty much it. Don't forget to go ahead and check out my vlog channel, PETITE-SUE TV, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just go and make up for yourself.